Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Down below, hit the red arrow and ring the bell. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Do you remember the 70s? I do, because I'm over 50 and proud of it. What are we doing today, Rhonda? Good question. We've got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That's a terrible song. I'm never singing that song again. And I have not opened it, but I did write down the prices of my items because they don't do that anymore on the little cards. And I missed that. So I don't have much of a description. I probably could have done that too. But I got lazy. Ooh. Beautiful. It feels like chenille. I wish I had a sweater made of this. This is gorgeous. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is a $25 a month subscription. And I get it every month, most months. Every month, sort of. Sometimes I pause it. But this is chock full of stuff, and I'm really excited about some of it. Some of it is like, all right. But let's start off with the first thing that I see. And this is the QMS Medicosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. And QMS stuff is very high dollar. This is $140. And it is a cream for your face. And you can put it on your neck, you can put it on your elbows. You can do whatever you want with it because it's yours. It's yours. You can do what you like. And it looks like this. It's a beautiful container. And let's see how full it is. Oh. And it's got the little seal on it. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. It smells kind of citrusy and fresh. And there's still a lot there. So that's awesome. Would I buy a $140 moisturizer if I was rich? I'd probably buy La Mer if I had the rich money. So anyway, $140. Not too shabby. Then next up, I'm just going to reach in and... Oh, this is from Odacite. I don't know, O-D-A-C-I-T-E, Odacite. I think it's Cite because it's probably like French or something. And I know a little bit of French. If you like me to speak a little French, I will do that for you one day, but I will only insult you. So this is the CAR Wild Carrot Facial Serum Concentrate. I'm just knocking everything around. Watch out. I'm knocking things around. And it says, this rare and precious wild carrot seed oil is deemed to be the ancestral beauty elixir of French queens. I knew it was French! I knew it! Sorry, I got all excited there. Known to donner bon main, give fresh glowing complexion. So concentrated, 2 to 3 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. If you like the bare, no makeup skin, the serum is pure magic. Each drop of this nutrient-rich oil helps to establish a vital glow that makeup becomes optional. In aromatherapy, wild carrot's subtle and unique scent provides a feeling of wonderment. Wonderment? What? Wonderment? I don't know that I've ever had wonderment. Unless it was like a mint that was a wonder. But let's look at this. Vital glow. I need a vital glow. I can add it to my 100 other serums that I've gotten in boxes. Not that I'm jaded. But this carrot serum, I've heard good things about, like the vegetable serums, like the green pepper serum. Ooh, it must be really good. It's teeny tiny. And this is $58. Let's see if it's got a smell. But the green pepper and tomato, ooh, I just cracked it open. Oh, it's orange, just yellowish. Look at that. It is obviously a serum, and it's kind of an orangey yellow, kind of golden color. I'm rubbing it in my skin. It puts the lotion on the skin or it gets the hose again. You like Silence of the Lambs? I do. But it does give you a little glow. I wonder how it is once it sinks in. We'll check at the end of the video. Let's do that. So it's got a little pamphlet with it. But you know, I do these things in short bursts, so we don't have time for that. But very nice serum, and it's cruelty free. It's got the little bunny on it. Very nice. The next thing I pull out, ooh, this is my add-on. I got It Superhero Mascara, the little tiny add-on version for $3. This is great mascara, and this is a wonderful size, and you get a lot of uses out of that size. And it was $3, and It's Superhero Mascara is fantastic. It gives you lots of volume and length. Here's the card. And it does talk about the Glam Bag X, which is coming up, and it is like the Boxy Luxe for BoxyCharm, but this is Glam Bag X. It's a quarterly limited edition box of 78 full-size products worth up to $350, and you get to choose 3 items. And I've already sold out. It says sign up before you sell out. It starts in February, and I've already signed up for it, so I am getting it. And this just tells you to put a banana in your hair and some avocado and some olive oil. And I'm not doing that. But maybe you will. Maybe put a banana, avocado, and some olive oil. And then when you're done, you put it in a little bowl of lettuce and you got a salad. Oh, that's gross, Rhonda. Very gross, Rhonda. And your nose is a little drippy. How dare you? Nobody wants to see your drippy nose. Next up is from Il Maquillage. Ooh, and I love this color. And if I remember, I've seen, oh, it's got a little tape on it. Try to get the tape off. And this is an eyeshadow from what I recall looking up. And I love, love, love the color. And the packaging is super cool. Even the box is cool. And it is hefty. It feels expensive. It should. It's $29 for one eyeshadow. Oh, but it is beautiful. I love that color green so much. I'm going to keep this around. Maybe I can dig it out and put it in a Z palette. But this is a beautiful eyeshadow for $29 from Il Maquillage. Then we've got from Tula, and I've got one of these right now. You can't, I've got a camouflage, a little blemish. And this is Tula Skincare Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. Probiotic skincare. And it says that its active ingredient is benzoyl peroxide. And let's see, it says, we are committed to bringing you clean, safe, effective products. We look to research and clinical studies to determine which ingredients we do and don't include. And so they like this. It's probiotics and tea tree oil helps calm the look of redness and inflammation. Benzoyl peroxide helps treat and prevent acne. And licorice and niacinamide helps fade the look of marks left by past acne, which is nice. But every now and again I get the adult acne. Ooh, this is a little, so skinny. It's so skinny. How can it be in the frame with me when it's so skinny and I'm not so skinny? But it looks like a really nice size package, and it's got a little fancy angled applicator, which is nice. It looks like you would use that for lip gloss, but we're using it for acne, which is cool. I think even Angelina Jolie gets a blemish now and then. And then last but not least in the palette is from Moods by Laura Sanchez. And she had a palette with Ipsy not that, like last year, and it wasn't that great. So let's hope this is better. But the packaging is gorgeous. And then it's got some stuff about it. And when you open the package, oh, there's a brush. When you open the package, it gives you a lady with a big globe. Oh, that's called a crystal ball, not a globe, Rhonda. Get your stuff straight. And it's beautiful. And this is what the palette looks like. It looks like it's got some highlight, a little bronze, and some really interesting colors. We're gonna give it a try. This brush looks like absolute garbage though. This brush is trash. And what do I do with trash? I throw it in the garbage behind me. I do. That's how I am. And what it says on the package about this palette, which is $35. It says, with much love, I present to you Moods, the palette that defines who I am. Oh my God. I wouldn't let this define who I am. On one hand, sweet and feminine. On the other hand, strong and determined. I named the tones of this palette using emojis. Lazy, which is our form of global expression, so visual that it breaks the language barrier. I want you to have a little bit of my heart in your makeup kit. And the emojis she used are like a body in a bathing suit. Look, like a little mocha, a high heel, a flame, a queen, an alien, some kind of millennial chick, and a martini. Not impressed with this. But we've got this, the Tula, the QMS, the Vital Glow, and the Il Maquillage, which is all a total of $282 for a $25 bag, which is great. And I like several of these things. So, and don't forget, you get the bag too. And I like several of these things, so I think it's a good value this month. And I'm not disappointed. I'm not thrilled, but I'm not disappointed. But I think it is great. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.